Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Sim ulaong bagatanat pulit kala penjur ya ka Jingpahara ha kapor Mynmiet Khamtam ya ki thuk Arshaka namar ka jingjur ka jing sha tu ki thuk Arshaka hapo ka jela bad kumjuru ka jingdon ka jingnya khlem akor kinongnya ya ki Arshaka habakran chakilat pathai khobor mentagasi USP ulaong bana kalyang katanat pulit kalakmi ru ha ka bayadei bat ka jing pendat jongki khna samla ya ka silencer neki kor pensawa ha ki thuk jongki kabajuan ra ya ka jingma ha ka bor yo sngo jongki Kylleng bat kitu ki balano ha ka karta habayadei pat bat udrok USP ulaong baka jing yo kem ya kinong de bat kinong khayi drok hapo ka jela ha ki banai baladep kalalong ka bashir khai bha namar ka jing dawa ya uni ujing di kalalong ka bajur bha henre da ka jing tre borba jong ka kanhun anti narcotic task force lala ban kem ya ki badan bun ngut ki badan khti ha ka nikakam shu ulaong bakalong ka badan kam ya ki bor sanchar shnong bat ki pat ba bakine tre lang bat ki bor pulit khnang ba onla bante la kam ya uni ujat jing di penbuat da ka ba ben rap ru bana kalyang ki bor pulit kinomla bandan haman la ki Jaka bante la kam ya udrak namar kinong di bat kinong khayi drok ki ju pendan kamru ya ki Jaka baki pulit kimdan bat ulaong balada ki pat ba kilap ya kum kini ki briu ki badi bat de drok ha kino ki Jaka kilap ban phone bat pentip sha ki bor pulit.
In fact, patrolling has been intensified at night. In fact, you, as from the press fraternity, you would concur with me that there would be more patrols, and you would be the ones who would see the patrols. I'm surprised what you're saying, but yes, we intensified our patrolling, especially traffic and the SOT, the tactical teams are checking on two-wheelers every night. Number one, because of bike thefts, rampant bike thefts. Number two, because of drunken driving. We don't want to have fatalities because of rash driving. And yes, we don't want nuisance and noise to be there in localities. There are a lot of young people sometimes who use modified silencers, which can be disturbing, especially for the very young and for the very old.
Actually, I was referring to the drugs.
Then regarding you're talking about the drug scenario. Yes, there have been major catches before the preceding months, and that has brought the demand for drugs even more. The cost of drugs is higher. Now that we have a specialized AMTF, which is full time into it, we are hoping to have more successes. Yes, the problem persists of small time peddlers, small time users, and the crime against property is still persisting. It is a problem which needs concerted effort from the community, from all stakeholders, because in fact under the DREAM program, where we also are partners in it, we've had several discussions with the localities. On Saturday we will be having with the Singh Samlas, and on Monday we will have a short training for the VDPs. We are encouraging more VDPs to be formed to help us fight this drug menace. At the same time, for the VDPs to understand, to have empathy and sensitivity towards drug users, look at them as patients. At the same time, be vigilant about drug suppliers. We also, in this program of collaboration with the community and the community, we want them to understand, because we need partners to be part of the process of the NDPS statute. Unless you are good witnesses, unless you help us in our raids and seizures, the case will fall flat. So understanding the whole process under the NDPS Act is very, very important. It will also raise the level of awareness and the knowledge, especially during the period of trial. So a good interposition during trial will help us get conviction.
So why I would still disagree with you that no actions are properly.
It's not that police is not patrolling these places and all that, but it's not possible for police to be in every area. And drug users also they will look for a place where the police presence is not there. So as far as possible, as responsible citizens, you find that we please call up 112 In fact, a lot of the public really call us in 112 and inform us. It is a nuisance and a headache for everybody when drug users are there, because number one is the quantity seized from them, or they may have consumed, there's no quantity at all, and they need treatment or rehabilitation, which costs money also. So there's a big problem of actually handling users, because once you bring them, then they have withdrawal syndrome, the withdrawal sickness and all that. Okay, so all that issue is there, but we discourage users to be in public places, but that is just addressing the symptom. We need to have a more systematic way of handling this whole thing, of actually getting them out of the street and getting treatment.
So, just wanted to ask about this